Because of what temperatures are doing, a virus expert is warning people about COVID cases increasing. Good evening, I'm James Brown.
And I'm Molly Koick. State data shows our single-day case count today is about half of what it was a year ago. But the virologist told me our changing season is going to change our COVID situation. About 2 years in, and we're still in a pandemic.
It's hard to believe we are this far into it, and we're still dealing with the issue.
Dr. Dawn Woolley is a Wright State University professor. She has studied viruses for close to 4 decades, and she's one of 150 certified biosafety professionals in the world. She is predicting a new COVID peak in January.
As the air gets cooler and less humid, it is easier for the virus to transmit.
And Chief Meteorologist Wright said that's exactly what's happening to our weather.
You're more likely to see those lower humidity numbers during the winter months, and that's just because the colder the air, the less moisture the air can hold.
Dr. Woolley explained why that combination of lower humidity and lower temperatures is ideal for COVID spread. She said when the air is drier, the respiratory droplet holding the virus will dry faster.
And then the virus particle itself will be free floating in the air. It can remain aloft for a long period of time.
And she said viruses survive better in cooler temperatures.
So if there are large numbers of people in these environments, in these cooler temperatures that are less humid, the virus particle number builds up in the air,
increasing the chance people will get sick.
The more of those particles that build up in the air, the higher the dose will be when a person breathes those particles in.
But she does not think we will see the case counts we saw this past January. The highest day that month, state data showed more than 11,000.
I think that overall the peak will not be as bad because we do have vaccinated people now and people receiving booster shots.
Though she said we will never fully get rid of COVID.
This virus will persist. It's not going to go away. We can't eradicate this virus from the human population at this point. It does seem to have an animal reservoir, and in that case, it's difficult to fully eradicate it. So we will have to be dealing with it from year to year and get new vaccines as the variants change.
Dr. Anthony Fauci also and other doctors and the other top U.S. doctors agree with Dr. Woolley in saying that they don't think COVID will ever disappear. But at some point, it will spread more like a seasonal flu. Now, federal health leaders are looking at how to measure the end of the pandemic.